I look weird. Rogue Marby Scott. Hey Homo sapiens and Marbites, it's me Rogue Marby Scott. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back any new watchers or subscribers. I've been seeing you. Hi. Yeah, I'm Rogue Marby Scott. And today it was a look inspired by a sweet, a Jawbreaker. So yeah, I kind of went all wild. I possibly do not like the lips. However, well, not too fond of the lips, but anyway, I like the eyes, and sometimes when you do makeup, it's all about trying new stuff and whatnot. So just because I don't like something, it doesn't mean someone else isn't gonna like it. So therefore, I'm posting this video because the channel is not all about me; it's about you too. I am really feeling this t-shirt that I'm wearing right now. Well, it's a crop top, not t-shirt. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and how I got the look. So I've already done my base and I've blocked out my eyebrows, as in I've completely got rid of them. And I'm now going to place some white concealer on my eyelids and, you know, bring that up into my eyebrows, just because I want this look to be a little bit on the semi-quasi funky hippie drag look. So therefore I am bringing that concealer up and I'm blending it, just making sure it blends seamlessly into, you know, my natural skin tone. And then I'm going to go on and put the first blend of eyeshadow on. So going in with the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, I am going in with this white, and this white has a sheen of green hue to it, which I just thought was amazing for this look, because Jawbreakers sometimes do have a sheen of something iridescent on it, so I just decided to use that. Going in and blending that out with a fluffy brush now. I'm just making sure that everything is blended but circular. I want this to look circular, almost kind of like clownish. So just doing that, and then I'm going to go in with a stark white from the same palette and just go over my eyelids and just blend that in using a fluffy brush. Going in with my Flash palette now, and I'm just going to go in with different colors from what I've seen on Jawbreakers. So as you can see now, I'm going in with the red, and then I'm going to go in with all the other colors, and I'm not going to say anything because you just need to keep watching and see what I do. Some parts of me placing random spots and lines are very sporadic, others have been kind of thought processed already. So just be fun and happy with this look when you do this look. I mean, I was never really happy with this look, but I decided to upload it for you guys anyway. But I'm not being overtly anal when I'm doing this look. I'm just, you know, placing things as if, you know, I just want it to look pretty and whatever. Now going in with the white eyeshadow that I used, and I'm just going to, you know, just place that not very carefully underneath my eye, because Jawbreakers tend to be dusty when you eat them. Going in with a white eyeliner, making sure that my eyes kind of pop with this whole look as well, kind of like clownish looking. And then I'm just going to throw in some mascara. I was going to put some lashes on in this video, but I opted out because sometimes lashes is, you know, I just don't like doing it. Going in with a white highlighter, and this white highlighter, oh my gosh, I love it. It looks lovely on dark skin as it does on mine, and oh my gosh, it just pops on any porcelain skin. It is such an amazing highlighter, which is from MUA, and it's white, but it has like a nice iridescent bluish tone onto it. So I'm using that same white highlighter on my face, and as you can see, it is showing up a little blue. So yeah, I'm going to blend that out with a sponge later on afterwards, and then I'm going to move on to doing my nose, and then I'm going to do my lips, and then continue on with the look. Now going in with some red, exactly the same as I did on my eyes, but without the base color of white. I'm just going in with, you know, those colors, and I'm just placing them all over sporadically all over my lips, and then I'm going to blend them in with my own lips. I did want to keep the look like this. I mean, I should have just kept the look like this, setting my lips with some powder so nothing moves, but I should have kept my lips looking like that, and I should have stopped the look here. But I decided I wanted some white eyeliner to go there because I wanted my lips to look dusty, as if I had been eating an actual Jawbreaker, because I've noticed children these days have been eating a lot of Jawbreakers and they kind of look like they've been eating something else. So therefore I'm going in with some white eyeshadow to go around my mouth because it just looks like all powdery and stuff. And yeah, I'm going in with that eyeshadow just to give it that little iridescent look, and that is practically it. So guys, that's how I got the look. Pretty simple, pretty basic, and if you want to learn how to block out your eyelids or your eyebrows, sorry, just let me know in the comments below. It's a simple trick. You can actually just go anywhere on YouTube and find. But if you want to see how I do mine, then yeah, I look weird without any eyebrows. Maybe I should just draw some on. Yeah, hold on. We're gonna let's draw some eyebrows. Okay, looking a little drag, but that's okay. I don't like it though. Bye. Rogue Molly Scott.